All right, so good morning. Today we're going to be trading another day. Today's Thursday, so I'm going to do basically what I always do. I'm going to draw up. I'm going to draw up the support and resistance zones that I see currently on Nasdaq. This is what it looks like on the 15-minute. It's not pretty. Looks like we're just overall ranging, but we could possibly take buys to the upside. If we do, I want to see it break with some power to 20-point stop, tight, very tight stop loss. Very tight stop loss, but 20 points should be more than enough, hopefully. We're going to target at 1 to 2. That looks good. The one thing that I don't like is this top wick up here, because we can easily hit that and then reject it and come back down. So hopefully we don't do that. So we'll see. This is on NQ. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, I do like this sell right here a little bit. So right here, like I said, I hate this wick here. I absolutely hate that wick. But if we break under it with some power, it should be good to go. A 20-point stop is a little too big. A little too big for this short. So we're gonna do 15. 15 on the shorts. Yeah, 15 on the shorts. Looks like we're already breaking out, but New York Open hasn't, or the New York Open hasn't happened, so I'm definitely not taking that. So we got just under 15 points on the shorts. So 7 contracts if we're shorting Nasdaq. So 7 contracts if we're shorting, 5 if we're buying. So I just have to remember that 7 short. Oh wait, actually let me make sure it's set up correctly. Okay, 200. Yep, perfect. 200. Okay, perfect. All right, so we're doing 5 contracts if we're buying. I'm actually gonna write it down because I don't want to forget. So 5 buy and 7 sell. Seven sell, 5 buy. I'm gonna turn this white so I can see it good. And then for YM, I'm gonna look at YM over here on this side. I'm gonna mark it up and everything. And oof, I'm not gonna lie, I would rather see it break up here, actually. Just to be safe, I'd rather see it break up there. Looks like Nasdaq started breaking to the top, so I'm not gonna take it because it's pre-market open. YM looks way better. YM looks way better. I really love the way YM is looking. I prefer it better. $30 stop. We could only do 2 contracts on YM, so YM looks so much better. So much better. We got 30 seconds. I don't like the... Okay, so let me just get ready for this. 5. Ooh, 1 contract. We're doing 1 contract of YM. Nasdaq already broke to the upside. I'm not going to take that. Might be able to get the shorts here on US 30, especially if we break right here. We'll see. I I like YM so much better. So much better. Oh, Lord, I freaking missed it. It's okay. Let's not force it. Let's not force it. I'm going to take off this trade. I'm going to just trade it on the 15-minute. Oh, I missed it. It just happened so fast. It happened so fast. I'd rather just wait for this 15-minute break. I'm going to watch NASDAQ on this other screen. Nasdaq would hit TP2, but it broke before the New York Open, so I feel good not taking it because that's not part of my rules. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push this a little higher. If we take buys, I want it to push past that previous high of this candle. So we're just gonna be patient. We're not gonna try to force anything. 30-point stop is good for both sides. I no longer really like buys for NASDAQ. So I'll only look for sells. It kind of sucks that Nasdaq hit TP2, but it was before the New York Open. And I don't want to force a trade before the New York Open. Even though it hit 1-2, it's fine. Follow our rules. Follow the rules. We gotta be disciplined with our trades. Follow the rules. We'll be good to go. Looks like we might be setting up here for a buy on on YM, and Nasdaq might be preparing for a sell. We'll see. Kind of want to see it break. Kind of want to see it break this high up here just to be safe. Just to be safe. Nasdaq is bouncing right around my area of interest for an entry. And it's just plain. It's just plain today. Or something. Nasdaq might be getting ready to sell off here. Nope, never mind. Okay. But I get ready to buy here. Dang, I hate that I have to keep pushing this higher and higher. I really do hate that. I'll be right back. It's probably gonna be one of those days where we probably don't take a trade, or it's probably just gonna take a while for it to set up. But if we don't catch a trade by 45 minutes or 52 minutes, then we just won't trade for the day, and that'll be okay. Nasdaq can potentially set up for a good buy is just too. I just don't like it. I feel safer on the sells, so I'm just gonna avoid that Nasdaq buy. I don't know. We'll see. Because if it's a good trade, then I'm gonna have to take it. I'm gonna get ready for YM just in case this pops. Okay,
Order
we're in.
filled.
We're in. We got in a little bit later, but it's okay. Um, we only want a 30-point stop, so I'm just going to go 150. So I'm gonna risk 150. I'm gonna try to hold out to the 400. We'll see what we look like at TP2, but I think just a little bit later than my entry would have wanted. We would have hit almost hit a 1-to-1. It looks like we're getting losing power here. Okay, let's continue the momentum. If we hit right around this area here, I'm going to go break even and then I'm going to hold. I'm going to try to hold to that one. I'm going to try to hold to 400. That's definitely way above TP2 just because we're doing a $150 risk. So it'd be more like 2.5, but we'll see. Right around when we get to that area there, I'm going to go break even though. We just got to continue. Just got to continue here. We hit TP1. Oh, no, we did. I really don't like this trade anymore. I'm gonna go. I'm just going to reduce my risk, $50. I don't like how it's losing power. Like I absolutely hate that it's losing power. So I'm gonna reduce my risk to $50. And if we lose this trade, it is what it is. We lost $50. But I don't want to be part of this trade anymore, just because it seems like we're losing a lot of power. And when it starts messing around like this, it's really not. It's not worth being in that trade. Because we want volume. We want volume to explode. And if we're struggling, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna reverse. So the only thing that we can hope for right now is to continue this volume to the upside to carry this trade. But if not, then we're not gonna force it. We reduced our risk. We're good. Plus, we got in a little later than what we wanted to. Our break even should have been like right around this area, anyways. We'll see. Nasdaq is setting up pretty good too right now. I don't want to be in 2 trades at once, so we're just gonna wait. We're gonna wait and see what happens. Oh man, I don't know. Nasdaq's looking pretty good too. I might want to close out US30 and enter Nas or NQ. Okay,
Order filled.
I'm in on Nasdaq. I'm going break even on both trades. I'm in break even on Nasdaq. I'm in 2 trades right now. I'm gonna go break even on US30 as well.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm
Order
out on US30 and on Nasdaq. It's okay. It seems like it seems like it wants to go up, but it's not. I don't want to force it. It's not going. There's no volume. They were both breaking out, but it's like it died. The volume completely died. The volume completely died once it started breaking out. And you know how I feel about re-entering trades like this with huge wicks. I'd rather just wait for another trade or just not trade. We still got time to just wait. Still got time to just wait. Looks like we're losing pressure. I don't want to force anything. At this point, I'd rather take shorts than buys, just because, like I said, I hate these long wicks. Oh my god, Nasdaq looks crazy good right now.
Order filled.
Going back in on Nasdaq. Only reason why I took this trade is because we closed above, and hopefully we can carry the momentum.
Order filled.
Nope. Okay. I'm not trading Nasdaq. We took one loss. It seemed like a good trade. We closed above the zone, so I thought we would be able to enter back in, but it's all good. Just in case Nasdaq decides to go short, we might re-enter here.
Order filled.
Okay. Last trade of the day, going in US30. Let's see if we can continue this bullish pressure and ride it up. 400 is TP 2.5. Nasdaq, you did me dirty today. You did me dirty. US30, don't do me dirty. Yep. Did me dirty. I think I kind of just want to get out of US30, man. Going break even US30.
Order
I
filled.
don't like it. I would let's just wait. Let's just wait. I hate the buys right now. I honestly really hate the buys. It's still one loss. I feel good. I'm glad we made it back to break even. If this decides to rip forward to the upside, it's all good. It is what it is. I'm just gonna wait. Man, Nasdaq just there's no volume. It's like really plain today. It's really plain. I'm glad I got our US30. I'm not getting any good volume. We had a 15-minute candle closure on Nasdaq outside of the area. Watch, I'm gonna show you guys. The only reason why I went in is because we had this 15-minute candle closure outside of this breakout zone. So I took the trade confident. Look at this huge rejection wick. Closed outside and it just faked us out. So I feel better selling, to be honest. I feel way better selling. I'm gonna just completely remove this. Oh, what's this? I don't want to take any buys on US 30. I already got faked out like 3 times. If this booms, it booms. It is what it is. I'd rather just take one loss for the day. And there it goes. Dang. We needed to reach right around here to hit that $400 mark. This is why I don't like trading these wicks. It's because like it can hit this wick and just reverse. The only time that I like trading if we're near the wick is if like that wick is near the 1-to-1 zone. If it's near that 1-to-1 zone, which this is, then I don't mind it because I'll just go break even and we'll just see what happens. But it's all good. We might just have to deal with a one loss for the day. I don't like this buy. I'm pulling up NASDAQ back. Look at this crazy seller's volume. Might be able to take a short here. 15. Do I want to do, what stop do I want to do? 20 points? I'll do a 15 or 16, 17 point stop. Yeah. Do like a 17 point stop, man. One more push. US 30 or YM is flying. It would have hit that $400 marker. but it's all right. We got out. I don't think we would have. I don't think we would have even hit stop loss, but it's okay. We just there was no volume, which was really messing us up because we need volume to trade, and I can live with it. Let's see if Nasdaq breaks to the downside. I like the shorts better with Nasdaq, anyways, so it's all good. We might be able to get a shorting opportunity here. Or not. I'm still not in. Waiting to see if we really break that because it looks like we're just creating support here. I'm so glad I didn't hit buy. I mean sell. So happy. We might need a bigger stop loss than this. We're gonna go 5 contracts. We're gonna do something light. We're gonna play it safe. 5 contract. I love this stop right here. Let's see. Okay,
Order
I'm in.
filled.
I'm in. One to one's right here. All right, guys, I'm in short. Hopefully we can get this to at least a TP1. We'll break even and then we'll just hold. We'll see. We'll see if we can continue this bearish pressure. I love where my stop loss is. Um, I don't love the fact that we're creating this support here. Oh my lord. Damn, sometimes I gotta check the 15-minute. Sometimes I have to check the 50.
Order
This is a good
filled.
loss. Sometimes I have to check the 15-minute candle before I take a trade on a 5-minute because that was a crazy 15-minute bearish candle. That's like the third time that screwed me over. That's literally like the third time that I got screwed over by a 15-minute candle. It's okay. I'm gonna lock out. I'm going to lock out. I'm gonna lock out on all my accounts. Took a loss. I'm gonna continue to stay disciplined. All accounts have been locked out. Check out YM. We would have hit that $400 marker. We had our area marked up like this. 30-point stop. We would have definitely hit that $400 marker if we would have just stayed in. But we were just getting crazy rejection. We weren't getting any pressure or anything. Maybe next time I'll just for sure hold, but I feel good. I feel good that I got out of it because, like I said, otherwise I would just been there waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, just waiting, which eventually would have hit TP, but it's all good. Um, yeah, it was just playing around too much, and we took 2 trades on Nasdaq and we lost, so that's all good. We're down $100 in total on the account.
Unknown caller.
We were up $300 profit yesterday, and then we're back down to negative 96. So it's all good. It's all good. We're eligible for a payout, but as you can see, our balance is super low. So hopefully tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow, hopefully we close out the week green, and then next week we'll continue. Oh yeah.